Ethereum ETH and Ripple XRP on the verge of a huge turnaround as Rexas Finance RXS emerges as a big opportunity in 2025. Ethereum and Ripple are popular, and the crypto market around them is mainly active as I look forward to 2025. Driven by technical improvements, legislative changes, and increasing acceptance, both display indicators of a possible significant turnabout. However, Rexas Finance RXS, a fresh competitor, is quickly becoming well known and presents a substantial opportunity for investors looking for high growth possibilities in this changing market. Ethereum's ETH comeback, a new era of scalability and adoption. Ethereum has long led in the blockchain, the foundation of decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. Even at $2,039 as of this writing, ETH still rules with a market capitalization of more than $246 billion. Recent fixes for long-standing problems, including high petrol fees and network congestion, include scalability and energy efficiency enhancements via Ethereum 2.0 and Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum. With some projections of a price of $7,000 by year-end, these improvements could catapult Ethereum to unprecedented heights. DeFi and Web3 apps' ongoing expansion confirms Ethereum's place and qualifies it as a viable contender for a significant comeback in 2025. As big firms and institutional investors include Ethereum's technology, its ecosystem keeps growing. The adoption of ETH as a settlement layer for worldwide transactions and the growth of Ethereum-based gaming and NFT applications underline its long-term possibilities. Ethereum's network effect is strengthening, hence, its position as a significant innovative contract platform remains unquestioned, supporting the optimistic attitude about ETH in 2025. Ripple's XRP surge, regulatory clarity and institutional adoption. Ripple is reappearing once again. At the moment, XRP is roughly valued at $2.52. Over the past 7 days, it has experienced a 13.38% increase due to optimism around institutional acceptance and regulatory clarity. Gensler's potential resignation from the SEC and the talk surrounding the possible XRP ETF approval are two primary reasons people stay positive. If the optimism continues, analysts predict that XRP will likely rise to $3.35, or more significantly, $11, after surmounting the $2.73 resistance duration. This optimistic forecast is further backed by Ripple's role in cross-border payments and its relations with financial institutions, which let XRP value during these recessive periods. The expansion of Ripple into tokenized assets and central bank digital currencies (CBDCs) enhances its usability even more. Governments and financial institutions are investigating blockchain for faster and less expensive transactions, positioning XRP as a leader in this change. XRP is already present in the payments scene. XRP might see a breakout in 2025 as its use and possible ETF approval rise. Rexas Finance RXS, the dark horse with explosive potential. Rexas Finance RXS is emerging as a disruptive player with significant potential. Reflecting great investor trust, Rexas Finance has already raised over $47.5 million and sold more than 457.7 million tokens while currently in its last pre-sale stage at 20 cents. Whereas Ethereum and XRP concentrate on smart contracts and payments separately, Rexas Finance seeks to transform actual asset tokenization. Rexas Finance crosses conventional finance with blockchain technology by allowing fractional ownership of assets, including real estate, commodities, and intellectual property. Targeting a $1 trillion market, this creative method provides investors with unmatched liquidity and accessibility. The ecosystem of Rexas Finance lends even more appeal. Features such as the Rexas Token Builder, Rexas Launchpad, and Rexas AI, designed equally for developers, investors, and creators, improve its utility. Rexas Finance is positioned for a big debut on top-tier exchanges on June 19, 2025, at a projected launch price of 25 cents. A CertiK audit guarantees security and listings on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, increasing visibility. Analysts are hopeful, some estimate a startling 3,000% to 20,000% rise, which could propel RXS to $10 or $20 by year-end. RXS is a unique prospect since this growth path much exceeds the more cautious upward potential of ETH and XRP. Conclusion: The crypto market might see all three assets, Ethereum, Ripple, and Rexas Finance, thrive as 2025 unfolds. The scalability gains of ETH and DeFi growth make it a favorable long-term hold. Regulatory certainty and institutional alliances with XRP might drive it to unprecedented heights. Rexas Finance's revolutionary approach and early-stage development potential are the most intriguing prospects. As the year's biggest breakout star, RXS might take center stage for investors trying to maximize gains. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.